Shortcuts of calculations. In maths, it will help every time we do mental calculations. First method is how to find out squares of numbers which ends with 5. For example, let's start from 5 square. Look at here 5 square. 5 is the ones place digit. So simply we have to find out the square of ones place digit and write down here, and the digit which is at tens place, if it is 0 here, so we have to multiply this 0 with its consecutive number, and consecutive number of 0 is 1. So multiply 0 and 1, the result comes 0. So we write here this after using the slash, and now write down the complete number as an answer, 5 square, which is 25. Let's take another number, 15 square. The number 5 at ones place has its square 25, and now take the tens place digit, it is 1, and consecutive number of 1 is 2. So when we multiply 1 with 2, the result comes 2, and the final answer will be 225. Similarly, 25 square, 5 square, the result will end with 25, and 2. The consecutive number of 2, if is multiplied with 3, it gives you 6. So the result comes 625. Similarly, 35 square, 5 square, 25, 3 4s are 12, and the result comes 1225. There are some examples. For example, 75 square, 5 square, the number will end with 25, and 7 8s are 56. So the result comes 5625. Similarly, 85 square, 5 square will end with 25, and 8 9s are 72, 7225. 105 square, here 5 square ends with 25, and 10 into 11 will become 110. So the answer is 11,025. So it's a simple method to find out the squares of numbers ending with 5. Now the second shortcut is to find out the product of two-digit numbers between 11 to 20. For example, here 15 into 19, we have to find the product. So it's very simple. First step, add one number with ones place digit of the second number. For example, if I add here 15, then ones place digit of the other number is 9. 15 plus 9 is 24. Or if I take 19, then plus 5, which is the ones place digit of the second number, the result is also going to be 24. This is first step. Now, second step, multiply the result in the first step by number 10. So 24 into 10 becomes 240. This 240 will be used in the third step. And on third step, very simply we have to multiply the ones place digit of both of the numbers, number 5 and number 9. If are multiplied, 5 9s are 45. This result 45 will be added with the step 2 result. So 240 plus 45 becomes 285. This is the answer. So very simply, without using paper pen, we can find out the product. Let us take an example, 16 into 5. Here 16 plus 5 or 15 plus 6 gives you 21. So this 21, if is multiplied by 10, becomes 210, and 5 6 are 30. So if you add 210 and 30, the result comes 240. Similarly, 17 into 18. 17 plus 8 or 18 plus 7 becomes 225, which becomes 250, and 250 if is added with ones place digit product, 7 8s are 56, 250 plus 56 becomes 306. So very simply, without using paper pen, we can easily find out the product of two numbers